The power of radar. The new anti-collision system LPR1D24 from Symeo. Do you want to make your transport, logistics and production processes faster, more efficient and more reliable? Should complex crane movements at different levels be optimally tracked and collisions reliably prevented? The LPR1D24 radar system does all of that. Install one wireless sensor on the wall and the other on the end of the crane bridge. To detect the position of the crane trolley, one device is mounted on the trolley and the other on the end of the crane bridge. Using the one-of-a-kind patented LPR radar technology, the distance between the wireless sensors is now measured with 24 GHz radar waves, without Wi-Fi network interference. The wireless radio channel operates in the license-free ISM band. Thanks to the integrated antenna, an approximate alignment of the devices is sufficient to achieve precise measurements, even over long distances of up to 1,000 meters. The 2 transmit and 4 receive channels of the new diversity antenna enable multiple parallel measurements for extremely robust results. In contrast to laser technology, radio measurements deliver precise positioning values even under vibrations or for cranes operating at a skew angle. The new data throughput option enables the wireless transfer of data between the wall station and the stations on the cranes. Your advantage: all safety-critical data, such as the position of a trolley on a concealed mid-level crane, is transmitted wirelessly and in real time to the wall station. From there, the data can be forwarded via a LAN cable. That means you get dynamic positioning and data transmission in one system. The warning and stop zones are defined in the Collision Control Center. By simply calling up an IP address in the browser, you can configure, commission and update the wireless sensors, as well as configure the acceleration parameters and minimum distances of the cranes. The crane environment can be built via drag and drop. You can even create and remove temporary restricted zones yourself, such as for servicing a crane. The actual collision calculations are computed decentralized at each wall station, independent of the Collision Control Center. If the crane's dynamic braking distance is about to reach a collision zone, the wall stations send wireless collision warning signals to the stations on the crane. Crane movements can be automatically decelerated or stopped. Overhead crane movements can be blocked to prevent vertical collisions when the upper-level trolley is loaded. Thanks to digital relay outputs, you don't need your own PLC for collision calculations. The radar system has no optical or moving parts, making it maintenance and wear-free. Even in very dusty environments, at high temperatures, or outdoors during extreme weather conditions, Symeo's robust wireless system provides reliable measurements. See for yourself Symeo's new anti-collision system LPR1D24 for key processes that are efficient, reliable and accident-free.